Universe Philippines 2025, Atisa Manalo. Yun,
Wow!
pinapakita tayo ng pasample. Welcome back to TV Patrol Express.
Welcome back,
Hi,
Atisa.
ma'am.
Thank
Ngayong araw ay muli tayong taas noo
I know.
kay
Medyo,
Atisa.
hindi ako prepared na mas stiff neck today.
Pero ikaw, Atisa, prepared ka na ba at malapit na ang iyong laban?
I'm very, very prepared, very excited for my competition in Thailand.
And how has the preparation been? The last time we talked to you, just won, and you were asking advice from all your predecessors. But now, you said you're ready. What
Very
has
ready.
been the most exciting part of your preparation?
The most exciting part is talking to the ones who won before me. Because you get to get their knowledge, their insight. Kasi this experience is not everyone has been through it. Only a few girls has been through it. So it's important to get that bits of information and knowledge that they have.
And how do you plan on putting your own twist into it?
I'm just really gonna do my best. Yeah.
May kailangan ba, syempre di mo pa pwedeng i-kwento sa amin yung mga pasabog.
Yun na nga. Kahit isa lang.
May
Just
pa-teaser,
yun.
pasample ka ba? May pa-teaser ka ba?
Pasabog? Lahat yun surprise? Hindi na kasi siya pasabog
Oo
kapag
nga.
nasabi ko na.
Dapat surprise
Okay,
na
sige,
abangan
sige.
po talaga. Well, please invite everyone to watch Miss Universe at lahat po tututok dito sa ABS-CBN para sa competition.
Hello mga kapamilya! Ako po si Atisa Manalo, proud to represent the beautiful islands of the Philippines sa Miss Universe 2025. Please watch the coronation live from Bangkok, Thailand on November 21, 9 a.m. sa Kapamilya Channel, A2Z, Metro Channel, and iWant. This year's edition is extra special because you'll catch the runway show on November 16. Stay tuned for more details. And also, please support my journey to the crown by voting for me on the Miss Universe app. Maraming salamat po for your love and support, mga kapamilya.
I'm
Ayun.
curious, one last before who's making your dress?